Hello, it's David Conrad Bach, back for another episode of GTime. I'm coming to you from St. Joseph's Catholic Church in Phoenix, Arizona, where we have a Verdin Adagio II electronic Carillon from 2022. The chime heard in this video is the Westminster hour strike with the hour of 10 o'clock. But before we listen to the chime, I would like to tell you a little bit about the history of the church. If you want to skip directly to the chimes, go down to the description and you'll see a table of contents, one section labeled Chimes. Now to the history. The church was established in 1969 and service was held in a high school cafeteria. However, in 1972, the church had grown so much it was in need of a new complex. The complex ground was broken in January of 1972. And the complex was completed in October of 1972, an astonishing 9 months from the start of construction. The complex had a mid-century modern design, and the bell tower had 2 small brick towers, one of which was equipped with 4 electronic speakers, and the other had a wooden cross. Sadly, that building was destroyed by an electrical fire in 2019. At the time, renovations were taking place and ventilation caused flammable material to catch fire. The building you see today was rebuilt in early of 2022 and has a more traditional design based on Southwest Mission style principles, including the double bell tower. Each tower has a shelled bell supplied by Verdin Company of Ohio, and the tower on the right-hand side of the screen has 4 electronic speakers powered by a Verdin Adagio II electronic Carillon. With all that being said, I hope you enjoy the chimes. And that is the 10 o'clock Westminster Chimes, powered by the Verdin Adagio II electronic Carillon. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on GT Box GTime. Peace out, y'all.